Hey, Tony. Good to see you. Thanks for coming to IFCEE.
Wonderful, wonderful show. Thank you for putting it together.
Yeah, anytime. We wanted to talk to you about what's going on in the industry. Could you give us some insight?
Well, if you look at our booth, you'll see a lot of low clearance mass rigs. There's a big demand really for building infrastructure. As population areas continue to grow, there's need for demand for energy. And getting energy to the end user, to the cities, to the metropolis areas is all about that transmission line. And a lot of the transmission line right-of-ways are limited, so they're working under energized lines, which call for low clearance, low mass type rigs that can work under energized lines. And so for that demand, we offer a lot of different options for working under energized, from truck mounted to crawler mounted to excavator mounted. And hole diameter is going to change depending on the application, but we've got to offer all those applications to meet all those needs to advance that development of that infrastructure system, get that power to market. So for that advantage, are seeing a tremendous demand for equipment. We're very fortunate to have a strong backlog, loyal customer base, and we're able to provide them with the needs that they require. And we can serve them with a powerful rig that performs to their expectations. It is a great opportunity to come to this show and stand face to face with a customer where they can see these rigs, they can actually physically touch them and get a real understanding of their application, their usability, their design, and the service that we provide to make that happen. So thank you so much for putting the show on.
Yeah, no problem. We're glad that you're here. Could you tell me what makes you stand out from your competitors?
You know, you'll see when you buy a piece of equipment, the person you buy it from may be a distributor, maybe a dealer, but we're the manufacturer. And one unique thing about Watson, and we'll still do this, we'll always do this, we work directly with the end user. So we don't go through a distributorship. We interface directly with that contract that requires that rig. We get feedback from them instantaneously about that performance of that rig. We're able to serve them with a one-to-one, business-to-business relationship, and we think that's the big advantage that Watson has over the competition. Additionally, we are made in the USA. Not many people can say that. We're actually manufactured, designed, engineered, and we build it right here in the United States and deliver it to our end users. So we have a great, strong relationship with our customer. We're able to serve them directly, and many of them are some of my best friends now, so it's been a very advantageous and rewarding experience.
Now, there's a lot of people talking about the addition to your booth this year. What is this behind us? Could you tell me what you got going on?
Well, it was kind of a surprise to us. It's been a conversation that's gone on for several meetings now, but we have a great relationship with Drill Tools that builds augers and core barrels. So we talked about building a kegerator. Now, most kegerators are made out of a freezer, refrigerator that they put the kegs in, and then there's a tap panel that comes out the door. That's a typical kegerator. But in this application, we have a jockey box, and the jockey box has ice in it and coiled tube windings to go through the ice. So it delivers beer right from the keg through the coil windings, pre-charged with a CO2 bottle, and pushes beer right off the tap handle. So it's a mobile keg dispenser that can go anywhere. It's not meant for drilling because there is kegs in there, but it's really a core barrel that's been converted. So we're real fortunate Drill Tools gave that to us. And I'd like to also add that Watson in 1923 established itself. That means in 2 years we're going to be 100 years old. So yeah, that's really neat. And so next year, the fall of next year, we're going to have our 100th year anniversary. We want everybody to come and enjoy that. This kegerator will be there. We'll have drill rigs set up, and we'll have music. It'll be a great time. So yeah, Angie, would you come too?
I'll be there.
Great.
Is it 5 o'clock yet? Because I'm ready for a beer.
Get it. Thank you, guys.